Hello again, everyone. The voting has spoken, and I will be drawing one of my dragons with phonophobia. I'm going to be drawing Stone. When he was young, he broke his bottom jaw, so his parents replaced it with a large stone jaw. He broke his jaw from a large battle that happened in his tribe. The battle was so loud that he developed PTSD from it, causing him to have a fear of loud noises. I made a flat heartbeat line behind him because of the beep sound it makes. As you can see, his PTSD is going off from the sound. Stone is very brave and strong, but with loud noises, he really doesn't do well. That's some of his backstory. I will tell more about him in the future, but for now, let's watch the speed paint.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. Oh, and they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the Riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decided